Clayton from Shy Twist, and it's been a long time. But I was dreaming of a balloon, and I figured I'd come on and show you. We're gonna make this little toothless dragon. The movie just came back out. I'm gonna make this in different colors though, so you can see it all. So the first thing you're gonna need is either a yellow round or a 260. You're not gonna use a lot of this. You're just gonna make 2 small pinch twists, about 2 to 3 fingers each. Go ahead and tie that off so the eyes don't come undone, just like that. Next, you're going to grab a 260 with about a 4-finger tail. Start with a small pinch twist, followed by a 2-finger bubble, maybe 3, and a small pinch twist, about 1 inch. So you have that. Go ahead and grab your eyes. Just wrap it around like that. Now you're going to take this 260 and wrap it around this pinch twist and back into back here. So you have that. You give them a 2-inch neck. Call that pinch twist. Give them a couple of feet or legs. And a body, about the same size as the legs. Pinch twist. And then give them 2 more legs and get rid of the rest. That's one way to do it. Next, you're going to grab a 160 with about a 2-finger tail on it. Go ahead and wrap this right into the pinch twist on the head. Just like that. We'll make a 2-finger bubble and then 2 3-finger bubble and then 2 3-finger bubbles and then a 2-finger bubble. So, chain like that. Now go ahead and connect this back into the pinch twist. Now give this a squeeze and twist that right into the joint right here. You give another squeeze and twist this right into the joint at the end. Now go ahead back here where the ears are going to be, and you're going to twist this into right in here. So just twist it around. You don't have to twist it actually into the pinch twist. And just arrange it in the back like that, so the pinch twist sits right behind it. That'll hold it in place and give you the ears. All right. Now on your tail, give it a stretch all the way like that. All right. Now go ahead and twist off a small bubble at the end, followed by a 3-finger loop, just like that. Now you're going to measure off about 8 fingers for the tail, just like that, and then go ahead and twist this right here back into this pinch twist. So you have that. Now take this big loop and split it. All right, so pull it over the head. Oops, came undone. Over the head, and then just put this right here where this front pinch twist is. Just push it right behind it. And it's going to lock it in place, just like that. And go ahead and shape the wings a little bit. Just like that. And the last thing you need to do is finish off the tail. Go ahead and grab a scrap of 160 in an alternating color. This would all be black and green, so this would be red. Make a small pinch twist with that size bubble. And then twist the loop the same size as this one. And then just twist them together. like that, and then I'll twist these two around this way. And then break off the extra. And then go ahead and tie this in, or tie it to the nut, or twist it in. So you have this now. And finished off with some quick Sharpie, a couple of dots for the eyes. And if you don't see his mouth too much, I just do a few little squiggles. So your finished one should be just like that. I like because the 160 kind of gives a little bit of heft to the belly and to the neck. You can see here. And then if you can see on this one, if you want to make him look angry, this was puff inflated, but you can take a 260 and just go right back and forth with that. But that's my quick line work toothless. Takes about 3 minutes. That's it. Hopefully I see you again soon. Bye.